Hello, my name is Andrew Turco. I work for Emerson Swan. Today we're down at HTP, Heat Transfer Products, a division of Emerson Thermo. Today we're going to talk about a commercial product, and that product is the Phoenix water heater. The Phoenix water heater is one of the original fully condensing freestanding water heaters in the market. They are 96% efficient. They're sold all over the country, and they're actually sold in Europe as well. The tank is made from 316L stainless steel. HTP is one of the largest consumers of 316L stainless steel in the country. The largest consumer is the United States Navy. The heat exchanger, which you cannot see, is a fire tube heat exchanger. In other words, we have a burner down here. It shoots into a heat exchanger. The water surrounds the heat exchanger and dumps its energy into the water. Made primarily of 9010 cupro nickel with a small portion of 800H stainless steel on the top to protect the cupro nickel from the extremely high peak temperatures coming off the burner. They come in a number of sizes, tank sizes ranging from 55 gallons to 119 gallons. Inputs from 130,000 BTUs to 199,000 BTUs. Our 199,000 BTU 80-gallon model here modulates at 5:1, so we have a turn down rating. There are also some other advantages of stainless steel. Stainless steel resists corrosion. You don't need anno rods, a sacrificial piece of metal inside carbon steel tanks to try to save the integrity of the tank. It also does not need a glass lining to protect the steel from the elements of the potable water in the tank. And one of the best advantages of stainless steel is it's roughly 50% the weight of carbon steel. A 119-gallon Phoenix, 199,000 BTU water heater roughly weighs 400 pounds dry. So no water in it at all, 400 pounds dry. It sounds like a lot of weight, but in the plumbing industry, it really is not a great deal of weight. One of the latest upgrades brought to the Phoenix line is the Phoenix Multi-Fit. We saw a need in the industry of standard efficiency water heaters to high efficiency water heaters, but it's normally very time consuming. And there are a number of reasons why. Most condensing water heaters have a burner on top that downfires, and their tappings, hot and cold, are on the side, which is completely opposite of that standard traditional atmospheric water heater. The Phoenix, what does it have in common with a traditional water heater? It has the burner on the bottom. It's always been on the bottom. So the time savings there for the installer is they don't have to repipe the gas train and gas piping to get it up here. That saves time. They added tappings on top, 19.5 inches on center, which happens to be the same span of the most common traditional atmospheric water heaters on the market. So what does that do for the end user? In business, one of the only ways to save money is to control your operating costs. And say you're in a restaurant, you use a great deal of hot water, a lot of gas. So if you can go from 70% efficient to 96, it's a 26% efficiency advantage. So they're very inclined to want to go to a high efficiency freestanding water heater. We take the old water heater, we push it out, we pull the new one in, slide it in, make the connections hot and cold, hook up the gas train, which is already there, and then a slight difference, we'll have to bring in combustion air and bring out the exhaust. That's the only part that would actually take a little bit more time. But this is just one of the many advantages of the Phoenix line of water heaters. Thank you.